In this Easy Deals Advanced review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create Groupon-like deal websites for local businesses that you can sell and make a profit. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Easy Deals Advanced, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says use our brand new software to create ultra high converting deals pages for local businesses in under 60 seconds without HTML, landing page tools, design skills, or coding. Ready to become a deals page superhero for local businesses. You can watch this right here. So essentially you can create up to 100 deal pages for any businesses in any town, city, or state, essentially being able to create Groupon-like business sites for them so that they can provide deals for their customers and not having to go through a place like Groupon, which takes a big chunk of their business. They actually have to pay tons of money in order to do that. Now you're able to do that. You're able to provide this as a service, charge them for that, and easily be able to create these sites for them. The site's going to allow you to have tons of different templates fully hosted, so you don't have to worry about any monthly fees on that. Anyone can use these kind of pages: drop shippers, affiliates, product launchers, e-com stores, coaches, and anyone pretty much that wants to do a deal page. Has the pro templates, customization, add engaging videos, connects with any autoresponder, so you can build an email list at the same time with tons and tons of extra features. Of course, I'll let you take a look at that on your own time. So if you purchase, you can pick it up right here at the discounted price. I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you some actual sites and the OTOs.
Hi, it's Steve Rosenbaum, and I'm super excited to show you how Easy Deals works. But first, let me tell you why this is such an exciting product for me and why every local marketer should want to get their hands on Easy Deals. You know, I'm a local marketer just like you, and one of my clients once wanted to put up one of these deal specials. They wanted to do something like one of those group coupon type deals, right? And I said, sure, no problem. But when I tried to get it done, I found out it was a much bigger chore, much bigger task than I thought. I went out and I thought I'd have to hire a web developer, but they wanted a lot of money to do it. Then I started looking at some of the page builder programs that are out there that say it's drag and drop simple, but you know what? It's not. There's a big learning curve, and those things are really, really expensive, right? So that's why I was so excited to get involved with Easy Deals, because let me show you how super simple this is. When you log in, this is what the dashboard looks like. And I want you to know, this is really just a matter of 3 or 4 steps. And we even give you great looking tutorials. Look, right under here. You're never going to be lost because there's beautiful tutorials that show you exactly what to do each step of the way. It's all right there. But I'll show you what it looks like to put one of these things up. It only takes a second. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's create a deal. I'm going to do this for my childhood favorite place. I grew up in Northbrook, Illinois, northern suburbs of Chicago, and Little Louie's was the hot dog place where we all went. In fact, I blew off lunch every single day in high school, and you could find me at Little Louie's. There's even a picture of me up on the wall there, and it's a very old picture, believe me, right? So as soon as you create the deal, simply give it a name. Look at the beautiful templates we provide you. Dozens and dozens of templates from the most popular categories of all local businesses. You're never going to be lost, and have to start from a clean slate. We've got it all right here. Let's just start with the restaurant for Little Louie's. We open it up. You can see a preview. Just click on the eyeball. There it is. Look at that. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. That looks great. We'll choose it. So you just click on the little hand icon right here, and we open it up. Look, if I just press save, I'll let you know that this right out of the bat is ready to go. Look, I could publish it. They're going to give me a link, and this page is live. Watch. I go to the link, and that page is live. Great. But this isn't Little Louie's, right? So I just need to change a few things. The page looks great as it is. We simply go back to the editor. Let's close this up. And all we have to do is change the elements to make it all about Little Louie's. So obviously we need to put their logo there. I've already uploaded the logo. Super simple to do that, right? Just drag and drop. There it is. I'll just click on that. Boom, there it is, Little Louie's right there. Now Little Louie's a hot dog place. They don't serve chicken, so let's just click this. And here's a cool thing. I could upload a picture from Little Louie's, but you know what? Let's just go to Pixabay and say hot dog and fries. Okay, and let's do a search. Oh, look at that right there. Let's just load that up. Look at that. All the information, the alt text is there for SEO purposes. We'll use that image. Bam, gorgeous. Look, if we update it right now, we hit done. Let's go here, refresh our page. Look at that. It's already looking great. How cool is that? All right, let's change it to text, right? We don't want this lorem ipsum text. So let's just change it up. I wrote this out so you don't have to watch me type. Let's just change the headline and we'll say, hey, get 50% off a hot dog, hand-cut fries, and a beer. We apply the changes and there it is. Boom. Let's change this lorem ipsum text. We'll just grab this and put this here. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. Let's update it. Let's refresh it. Let's see. Look at this. Real time here. In this video, you're seeing how fast it is to put up this deals page. Can you believe how fast that is? And you could charge hundreds of dollars for this, right? They don't care how long it takes you to put it up. They just care in the results. The results are they're going to sell a lot more hot dogs because of it. Look how good that page looks. So they're going to be thrilled. It doesn't take you a lot of time. You can even outsource it to a VA, right? All right, now look, the deal price, we're not going to charge $100 for a hot dog and fries. What do we do this? Why don't we say we're going to charge $7.50, okay? And the reason why is because, whoops, I changed the wrong thing. Hang on a second. This says this was supposed to be deal price. Look at this. You can edit anything you want. Deal price, okay? It's not $100. It's actually, we'll say $7.50. Okay, there you go. The deal value isn't $100. It's actually, let's say, $15. Okay, there you go. It's a 50% discount. Quantity left, what I like to do is, I don't like quantity left. I want to say quantity available, okay? Otherwise, you're going to have to always be updating that. And let's just make this like 25. Let's build some scarcity in there so people act fast. Speaking of acting fast, you can even put a timer in there. Let's click on the timer. Let's set this for, we'll say the end of the month, July 31st, and we'll say, 11 o'clock. All right, 59, and we'll make that a PM, right? I think it's an AM, PM there. Let's just do that. There we go. Select your time zone. Okay, there's my time zone right there, and we set it. Look, the timer's already going. Let's check it out again. We're updating it. All right, we're refreshing the screen. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look, does this look like a real deal? There it is. There's your timer and everything else. Now, the vendor or the client, Little Louie's, they want to get paid, right? So the best way to do this, simplest way to do this is get a payment URL. I say just use PayPal. PayPal makes it super, super simple, but you can use your merchant, you can get use Stripe, anything you want. They will give you a payment URL. So you just click on this button right here, and in the button control, okay, this is where you're going to put the URL for the payment to go. So again, I suggest PayPal. Go set up the deal in PayPal for them, get that button, and the best part about it is when it goes through, they'll be notified that a successful transaction went through, and then they can notify the customer and send them the deal. So it's that simple. All right, let's continue here. We're going to customize this a little bit more. All right, there's another button that we could update right there. Again, we're not serving chicken here. Let's just change this. I'm going to make a little bit more generic. Look at this, our background image. We'll browse for images. And here what we're going to do, okay, wait, we're going to click on this one here. And here what we're going to do is we're going to go to Pixabay and we're going to search for, I'm just going to say a restaurant. All right, I'm going to just try to find a good generic, there, I like this one right there. Good generic restaurant picture right here. We'll just do this one right here and we'll use that image. Oh, look how good that looks. Look, the text is black. It doesn't show up, and I want to change that text anyways. I'm going to put this. I'm going to, hang on, I typed it all out here. I can click on this. I can edit it. All right. We serve the freshest Vienna hot dogs and hand-cut French fries in all of Chicagoland. But you know what? Black text isn't going to work. Let's make that text white or gray, whatever that case is. And we're going to, of course, Save the deal. Oh, we could change the stuff at the bottom, put the little Louis in here, right? My images right there. All right. And we're going to change that address. I'm not going to do that right now, but you get the picture. Just change the address right there, change the phone number, the email address right there, and we are all set to go. By the way, if you don't want to use anything on here, if you want to turn off any of the sections, look, you can turn off the header section, you can turn off the main section, you can turn off the service section, or the footer, or the copyright. It's all controllable right there. Speaking of controls, tracking codes. You can put Google Analytics in here, Facebook retargeting. You can put that all right in here. And how about optimizing for SEO? You can have your page title, you can have your metadata, your keywords, your description, all right there so you get found by Google and all the search engines. That's it. Everything is done. You can see this whole video, I've been talking now, it looks like about 8 minutes, right? And at the time I've been explaining to you, I've also been building this. It means I could have built it out probably in 3 minutes. Update it one more time, and let's go ahead and refresh the page. There it is. There you go. There's a demo of how fast it is to actually build this page in real time. Took me all of 3 minutes, right? So there you go. It's easy deals. I'm telling you, if you are a local marketing expert and you want to sell a hot product that local products want, local customers want, they want a way to highlight their deals. They're tired of getting ripped off by the group coupon type sites and stuff like that take 75% of their profits. They want a reasonable price. They'll pay you a reasonable price because they've been paying out the nose to Groupon. You could charge them $100, $200, $500. It's going to be a bargain to them. Plus, they're going to know it's a fixed cost. They don't like the unknowns. That's what the Groupon deal is. It's an unknown. You could charge a fixed price. They will love you for it. I would probably set up a monthly deal so you've got recurring income coming each and every month. This is why Easy Deals is such a great product. Hope you've enjoyed the demo. Jump on this, go ahead and grab it and add it to your cart because this deal is not going to be around for long. Enjoy.
So these are some actual sites created with this one here. So you can see London Dreams. It says you can create your own listing and publishing and graphic design here. You have all these different popular locations. You can essentially make your own deal site on this website here. So that's one built for London. This one right here is Toronto. So they've got one here for Canada, all these different deals that they can actually create here. You can actually view the different deals and be able to allow your customers to claim different discounts at these different locations using the software. So you can actually see what the deal looks like and put timers on it, different deal prices, value, how many are left here, location of the business, all these different things. Of course, that's all customizable. And here's one for Dallas as well. Now there are multiple upgrades here. I believe the first upgrade you'll see is a fast pass that will give you all the different OTOs, but if you say no to that, then you'll go through the sales funnel and you'll get all these different ones if you want to. This is a special one where you can get, it looks like unlimited here for this. I'm not quite sure. Let me see. It allows you to charge your clients, a monthly listing fee. So this gives you a monthly listing fee for your clients if you want to upload your own logo, change the color theme, put your own custom domain on this one as well. Of course, this is an optional upgrade for you if you want to pick this one up. Looks like that one's 67. The next one here is you can add in streams of income to this. If you want to add in extra revenue streams onto your sites, adding banners and whatnot in order to make more money from that, that's 97. The next one here is going to be, it's going to allow you to find clients. So if you're wondering where you're going to find people to actually send this to, this is going to actually help you to find those clients. There's a couple of different licenses here that are optional. Next one here is it says land your first client and collect your first paycheck in 24 hours. So if that's something that you're interested in actually learning exactly how to get your clients, you can pick up this one. And the last one they have here is it says I want to dominate multiple towns and cities with my deal site and show local businesses who is the real MVP. So this is going to be on really getting an advanced agency for this one. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Easy Deals Advanced and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, you will deal with rejection when going out there. So just be aware of that. No one is going to have a 100% success rate with this. You're going to try to get people to buy this from you, and they're going to say no to you. So just be aware of that you will have to deal with some rejection. What do I like about this? This is something of value. This is something that customers will want to pay for. It's a proven business model. Groupon has proven that. If this is something that you'd like to do and you just haven't had the tools to do it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out Easy Deals Advanced, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.